Hello lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're a lover of Chinchin but you're trying to run away from oily things, or you really don't like taking anything oily that much but you love to eat Chinchin a lot, this video is for you. In this video I'll be showing you just the simple steps on how to make your baked Chinchin, how to bake your Chinchin yourself at home. So the key ingredients when making your Chinchin is your flour, butter, sugar, nutmeg, milk, egg, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. You want to make sure that if you want your Chinchin to be very soft and crunchy, you add enough of butter. And if you want it to have that milky taste, that sweet taste, you add your evaporated milk and egg. So this is me mixing my Chinchin dough. You make sure you mix your Chinchin properly, then you add water. Now when you want to bake your Chinchin, you be needing your baking tray and your baking paper. Some people call it baking sheets. So you make sure you cut out your baking paper into the size of your tray and then place it properly on the tray. After placing the baking paper, you go ahead to pour your Chinchin into the tray. Then you make sure you arrange the Chinchin smoothly. You make sure there are space for the Chinchin to, bake very well. You would not want to just pack everything together in a roughly manner. Make sure you separate them, as you can see in this video. So this is my second attempt making a baked Chinchin. The first attempt did not really turn out the way I wanted. It came out nice, but there were like some white stains on the Chinchin after I brought it out from the oven, because when I was mixing the dough, I sprinkled flour on it. So I made sure this second attempt I did not sprinkle any flour on it while I was cutting out the Chinchin. As you can see, that's why this is looking smooth and fresh. But in case maybe you notice any sign of white stain of flour, or you notice that the Chinchin is rough, another thing you can do is to egg brush the Chinchin. You make use of your pastry brush to just brush it out, then the white stain will go away. The next thing is to put your Chinchin into your oven. You set your oven into your timing, and then you put your Chinchin into the oven, and you make sure you check it after like 5 to 10 minutes so that your Chinchin will not get burnt. Then after checking it after 5 minutes, you check it to make sure you turn the Chinchin with a spatula, or you can make use of your hands so that one part will not be brown while the other is white. Now see, this is the result of my baked Chinchin. Can you see how fresh and brown it is? The one in the basket is the fried Chinchin, while the one inside the white tray is my baked Chinchin. So tell me, are you going to try baking your Chinchin at home? So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and expect more wonderful video. Bye.